The QA team is especially important during the maintenance period because they guard the stability of every release. By continuously testing hotfixes and updates, monitoring real user issues, and running regression suits, QA keeps the application reliable, compliant, and aligned with user expectation long after launch. Let's talk about maintenance testing. It's the testing we do on system that's already in production. Every time we apply a bug fix, patch or update. The goal is simple, make sure the new change works and make sure it doesn't secretly break features your users already love. In the maintenance phase, QA is your quality gate. We verify that each change meets its requirements, run focus regression tests, carefully document and track every defect, and then retest fixed issues to be sure the product stays stable and release ready. In maintenance, we rely on three key testing types. Confirmation testing checks that the modified feature now works as expected. Regression testing makes sure old features still behave correctly, and functional testing validates that the whole application continues to work end to end for the user. Unplanned downtime is every team's nightmare, and Q is the first line of defense. By catching failures before release, good QA dramatically reduces crashes, avoid last minute firefighting, and keeps users' trust and satisfaction high. QA is not just about quality, it's also about saving money. By finding bugs early, QA makes fixes far cheaper than dealing with failures in production, cuts ongoing maintenance and emergency repair costs, and keeps the system running efficiently and performing well over time. By identifying potential failures early, QA helps teams stay compliant with safety and regulatory standards, keeps clear documentation of every change and test result, and protects application security and data integrity. QA plays a central role in defect management. Testers log every bug with clear, repeatable steps so developers can reproduce it, then track each issue through its lifecycle as fixes are implemented. Finally, QA retests the affected areas to confirm the defect is truly resolved before the bug is closed. QA's maintenance testing process follows three simple phases. First, plan. Analyze change, understand the impact, and design focused test cases. Next, test, execute those tests, and log any defects found. Finally, verify retest the affected areas to confirm the fixes work and the system is stable again. QA and maintenance delivers big long term benefits. It keeps your software compliant and safe, catches bugs early before they become production failures, and cuts unplanned downtime and emergency fixes. All of this helps maintain strong system performance, stability, and happier users.